In this video, we are going to focus on addition and subtraction of two matrices. So let's say we have matrix A of order 2 by 2, A equal 2, 1, 5, 6, square brackets 2 by 2. And we have matrix B of order 2 by 2, B equal 3, 0, 4, minus 1, square brackets 2 by 2. For addition and subtraction of two matrices, their orders should be equal, or else we can't perform these operations to these two matrices. So, order of A equal order of B. What is the sum of matrix A and B? To get A plus B, we should add the corresponding elements. So the first element A11, which in first row and first column in matrix A, add to B11, which in first row and first column in matrix B. So this is 2 plus 3. Then we need to add these two, 1, 0. So first row, second column is 1 plus 0. Then these two, 5 and 4. So that's going to be 5 plus 4. Next, these two numbers 6 minus 1. So final element going to be 6 plus minus 1. Finally we add square brackets. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus minus 1, 5, square brackets. Order of A plus B is 2 by 2. Next, we are going to get subtraction of these two matrices. To do that, these two matrices orders should be equal, same as in adding two matrices. To get A minus B, we should have to subtract corresponding elements. So, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 0, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 1, square brackets, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 1, 7, square brackets. The order of A minus B is 2 by 2.